Uploading videos on YouTube has actually changed, and some of you are not aware of it, right? Now, YouTube's upload process is not the same thing like what you used to know. And I'm sure some persons don't even know the old or the new pattern. I'm going to show you in this video. So whether you own a face channel or a faceless channel, this video is going to be very helpful for you. And I will advise you watch it to the end, because this might actually be the reason why your channel is not even growing. This might be the reason why you are struggling to post videos, being consistent, and yet it's as if you're not doing anything. You might be making these mistakes. Okay, I'm going to show you the new pattern of uploads on YouTube. Aside reviewing tools, growing your channel successfully is what I teach you here. Okay, my name is Joy, and if it's the first time seeing me on this channel, I share YouTube growth tips and also give you AI tools to help you create content, just in case you cannot do a sit-down video like this, and stay consistent on your channel and get to monetize it. Now, without wasting much time, let's dive right into this tutorial, guys. Now, first of all, I want to get SEO for my video. That's the first thing I do. So I'll just go to ChatGPT, and I already started the conversation here so that the video will not be too long, guys. I just say give me a very catchy SEO. On a video I talked about how to use Sedans 2.0, Grok AI, and VEO 3 for free using a new tool. Please use very effective SEO according to what's trending in YouTube search now regarding these AI models. Okay, yours can be for your own topic. I don't know what you're creating videos about, but that's what you're going to put here. It could be you made a video about baking. It could be you made an AI video like a story. You can just go on and tell ChatGPT, this is the video I made. Help me get SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. That means the words that appear in search, YouTube search. When viewers come to YouTube, what they search and the video starts coming out, that's SEO. So you need those kind of keywords in your videos and your description. Do you understand? That's the only way your videos will be popping out. Else, you will keep struggling to get views. Even if your videos are good and beautiful, you will be struggling without those SEO. Now, look at what it says. It says, since your video combines Sedans 2.0, Grok AI, VEO, AI video generation, and free AI tools, you want to hit the exact keywords creators are searching for right now. AI video tutorials are one of the hottest YouTube search categories in 2026, especially around VEO, Sedans, and Grok workflows. Okay, look at how you got it. YouTube Kit plus one other search term. That's what you use. Now look at the CT. Now look at the title it gave me. Say how to use Sedans 2.0, Grok AI, and VEO free. In bracket, say best AI video generator workflows 2026. But I think that topic is too long. Let's see the alternative titles. You don't have to choose that first one. Okay, you can go on and pick whichever one you like. This one says Sedans 2.0 plus Grok AI plus VEO free. Create cinematic AI videos in minutes. I think I like that one. The best free AI tool, AI video generator, Sedans 2.0, blah blah blah. Create viral AI videos using Sedans 2.0, Grok, and VEO. That one is also not bad. New AI tool lets you use Sedans 2.0. Okay. Okay, unlimited AI videos using. Okay, I think I'll go with this one. I'll just copy this one. Okay, I prefer this one. I'll go on and copy it. And yeah, this is the description it gave. Okay, this one will be in the video description. Okay, I'll show you. And guys, before you start uploading, also make sure you have a thumbnail for your video already. I already have a thumbnail that I want to use for this tutorial. Okay, now this is the tags. I'll show you where to put all of these things as time goes on. Let's go over to our phone gallery where we can change the video title. You must change your file name. Now this is the video I'm going to be posting. Okay, are you seeing it? To change the name, if you're using an Android, you can just click on three dotted lines anywhere you see it on your screen and click on rename. But if you're using an iPhone, click on this share button. Are you seeing this share button? Just scroll down or scroll up rather and click on save to files. Click on save to files. There you will see the name. Look at the name this video had before. Copy 5D something something. That's not a good name. It's not searchable. Go on and delete it and then paste your title you copy from ChatGPT. Do you understand? And click on save. So this video has been renamed. You will see what this naming will do to it inside YouTube. It will be surprising, but it works, guys. So now that we have it all done, we'll go over to Chrome. Okay, just go on and click on this search bar. Click on this search bar and search for studio.youtube.com. Are you seeing it? And click on go. Studio.youtube.com. Click on go. When it shows you this interface, please don't click on get the app. Click on continue to studio. Are you seeing it? This is how you do it. Click on continue to studio. It will take you directly to where we want you to go to. Yeah, so this is it. This is my other account. Okay, as you can see, this is not my channel. Now don't make the mistake of uploading immediately. I left this on purpose so you can understand how this works. When you get to this point, you have to switch account. You see this place I have my picture, you will click on it and from there you will switch account. So let me quickly switch it and I'll be right back, guys. So it will show you this again. Immediately you click on the particular email address or the account you want to switch to. Just click on continue to studio again and yeah, wait for it to load. Guys, this is the best pattern to upload your videos. I'm going to explain everything you need to know right here. So when you get here, you see this arrow going up. This is the upload button. Okay, this create button, you can click on it. If you're using a PC, This is where you go live, you create posts, create new playlists, you can do podcasts, even new course, and you can upload videos here. So because we're uploading video, you can still click on this arrow and it will take you straight to upload video. Yeah, you just click on either the arrow or select file, whichever one you click on. It will give you, instead of photo library now, you will not choose files. Remember we saved our videos to file, right? Click on choose files and it will bring out that video. This is the video right here. Click on it and click on open and then wait for it to load. This is very easy, guys. Look at it, guys. It has brought the video here. Now let me show you something quickly before we continue. Look at what YouTube says. Say video link. Look at the file name. I've not even done anything on this video. I only uploaded the video. Now it says video link. Look at the file name. Sidans 2.0 plus Grok AI plus video free. This is exactly the title we copy from ChatGPT. So that means this video is already tagged. Even if you don't even add a title anymore, YouTube has already titled this video. It's like a birth certificate. So when anybody is searching for Sidans 2.0 or Grok AI or video 3 for free, my video pops up along with other creators that did the same thing. The title. I've not even added a title, but look at what YouTube is saying already. It said create cinematic AI videos in minutes. This is my title, guys. Now the first step is done. For this description, all of these things you are seeing here, they're just my default videos and description and disclaimer I put in my videos. Okay. Now I'll just click on this description and I will zoom up. Okay, I'll just give it a little space because I want to add that description that ChatGPT gave to us. Remember, so I'll go over to ChatGPT to copy that description. Let me just remove this one. I'll go over to this place. Please take note, this is very important. This is what has been helping me grow my channel, but you have to read it. Oh, please always read it. Just go on and copy it and then go back to Chrome and paste the description right here. So those of you that don't know how to do description, you can use this, and I can also show you another strategy that you can use as well. But let's do this one first so you don't get confused. Okay, now my description and my hashtags, are you saying it? They are all there already. These are key hashtags that will make my videos get views. Okay, now just remove this keypad. Now thumbnail, you say upload file, you say auto generated and A and B testing. Let's go back to title. You can do A and B testing here. That means you can use up to 3 titles if you click on this A and B testing. Do you understand? To ask you if it's only titles you want to test or if it's both titles and thumbnails. That's what A and B testing is saying. But me, I have one title and one thumbnail. So you can try it out. You can use 2 titles, 2 thumbnails. Maybe if you don't have an idea which of the thumbnails you should use, generate 2 thumbnails and use this A and B testing. It's very easy. The same process I'm teaching you right now. So I'll just go on and click on upload file and I'll choose from my photo library because we did not change the thumbnail file name. We're supposed to change the file name for thumbnail. Okay, now I will look for that thumbnail. This is the thumbnail I want to use. I'll click on done. That's the thumbnail I'm using. Okay, it said all checks completed. I'll show you why it said all checks completed now. This is very accurate. If I didn't post through this place, it will not show me that thing. Do you understand? Sometimes this app, this website it can start behaving funny. Are you seeing what it's doing now? It has restricted me to one corner, but nevertheless, we'll just keep doing it. Okay, whenever it does this, I mostly just flip my phone over. It says playlist. You just select it. You have to create a playlist. Okay, me, I have 4 playlists as you can see. I have AI tutorials playlist, easy YouTube growth tips, my live stream, and editing. I have editing playlist. So this one is about AI. I'll just put it in my AI tutorials playlist and click on done. Next thing is the audience visibility. Okay, I already set mine as no, is not made for kids, so you should do that unless you are doing kids content. Then paid promotion, I don't have a paid promotion for this video, so it's blank. Brands, I can search for brands to tag because I'm monetized. Okay, but I'm not tagging anybody. Now this AI use, please always say yes or no. If your content is purely AI, like purely AI, like if your content, this is what purely AI means. Say if it makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. For instance, you are making Mr. Beast do or say something that did not do, that didn't happen. That's AI content. That's not real life. The second one says if it alters footage of a real event or place, maybe like the day for instance, like the Coachella they did recently. If you now make a video about it, you are altering the happenings of the events. You now change it somehow. You know that's not true. That's AI content because that's not how it happened. Then the last point is say if it generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur, anything that is not real, you have to say no. Yes, it's AI content. But for me, this is my video, this is my tutorial, step-by-step tutorial. So I will say no, this is not AI content. This is real 100% human being. Do you understand? Collaborations, I'm not inviting any collaborator, it's just me. Auto captions, I like this. Automatic chapters, I like to leave that because all of these are YouTube features, featured places, automatic concepts. I just leave all of these things. I don't touch them. I leave it turned on. Now you see tags. Okay, I'll have to delete some of these tags because some of my YouTube growth tags, okay, I have tags in ChatGPT, and I'll just go over to ChatGPT to copy the tags again. Look at it, tags. Tags means keywords. These are keywords that help boost your videos. Okay, look at it. I'll just go on, copy everything, come back here, and I'll paste it here. So I need space because it has a few words. It's about 500 words. Okay, so I'll just delete some of these my YouTube growth tags rather, and I'll paste the AI ones into it. Okay, I'll just paste it and then I'll remove this keyword and I'll zoom out back. So I'll scroll down. I still have a few ones. I was able to use 468 over 500. I think that's enough. You don't have to use all of it. Now, language and captions, I just leave that. I don't really touch that. It's English. Recording date, I don't touch that. License is already programmed by YouTube, standard YouTube license. Okay, that's what YouTube used to categorize your videos and know who owns the video. Now, allow embedding. Yes, I always allow embedding. Unless of course the traffic source is coming from a bad website, then I can turn it off. But embedding means anybody can play your video anywhere, like on YouTube, on WhatsApp, on Facebook. Your videos can actually play on Telegram. It's only YouTube that actually does this thing. You don't have to redirect back to YouTube. You can play it anywhere. That's embedding. Then this place, publish your subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. These are people that are subscribed to your channel. Whenever you click on this thing to turn it on, if you post a video, even if they're not online, when they come back, they will see it in their home page or their home feed when they are scrolling, and they will be also be notified whenever you post. You see that notification that just came into my phone because I'm subscribed to that channel. That's how it works. You just come in immediately, and yeah, if I like the title of the video, I come in and watch it immediately. You understand me now? Short remixing. Yes, I love video and audio remixing. It gives you more visibility. Category, please. Mine is on education. Are you seeing all the categories here? If you're into comedy, you should pick it. So whatever category you are into, you see all of them here. The general one is mostly people and blog. Okay, the type of education, I would just say how to. I'm teaching people how to do stuff, how to use tools, and how to grow on YouTube and all of that. Now, the academic system, I'll just choose none. I don't know why it keeps putting it in US for me. So yeah, this is basically then this place is comment moderation. Turn your comments on so that people can comment. Then moderation, you can just leave it in basic, not too strict. You can hold inappropriate words because some people drop bad words in your videos. So this will help you fix it. Now, these are how many people like your video. You should turn this on so that people can see the likes in your video. You're not hiding anything for God's sake. So yeah, this is it. Click on next. So that's the first stage. Okay, so because I'm monetized, it's asking me for monetization. For you, it might not be showing this. So if you know you're monetized, please pay attention. You have to turn your monetization on right here. So whether you're monetized or not, I think this is helpful for everybody because you will get monetized someday, right? You have to turn this place on. If you don't turn it on, your monetization will not be on your videos and you will not earn anything. And then you post your videos and you're wondering why you're not making money. You have to turn it on manually, even though you have turned it on before. You keep turning it on in every upload. You see this place that says show mid-roll ads. You need to tick it as well so that YouTube can add ads to your video in the middle of your videos. Okay, then you click on next. Now, ad suitability is asking you if your ad is good, if your ad or if your videos is good, if your videos contain any of these things, violence, adult content, or shocking content, anything at all that is here. Just read through. Mine is none of the above. And then you'll be asked to submit rating. You click on submit rating. This is exactly how to upload step by step. If you upload with the YouTube app, you will not get the luxury of doing all of these things. So imagine you posting your videos without all these things. Are you seeing where the error is coming from already? This is it. Click on next. Okay, click on next. Now, video element. This is where I have music license because I'm a monetized creator, but I don't really use music because my tutorial doesn't permit me to do that. Now, what I'll show you here is just add end screen. This end screen is what I'll show you. Click on it. End screen means add another of your video to the end of your video so that when somebody is done, they can easily go to your another of your video. YouTube will recommend another video based on their likes and preference. Do you understand? So I'll just click on my template. You can pick any template and make sure you pick best for viewers. As you can see, best for viewers. Don't choose most recent, just choose best for viewers. YouTube knows what's best for their viewers and they will direct them. Click on next. When you click on next again. So these are the checks. This is exactly why most people get copyright on YouTube, right? They don't use this pattern to upload their videos. They just post a video and boom, it goes on without checking if they have copyright on it. Look at it, say all checks completed. No issues were found with Sidans 2.0. Are you saying it? YouTube notifies you. You have to do all these things first before making your videos go out there. Else, you will have problems with your channel, guys. You will not even be getting views. YouTube will be restricting you. You can even become shadow banned because of multiple problems that you are getting into. And it's because you are missing all of this detailed explanation. I took my time to explain this. Some people might say the video is long, but this is a detailed explanation, like a full explanation. Now look at copyright. It said no issues found. It marked it good. Look at art suitability. It marked it good. There's something called community guidelines as well. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. It will also tick. So because it has checked everything for me, everything is green. So I cannot go on and look at it here. Checks complete. No issues found. I cannot click on next. You see, for visibility, I left it on private because of these checks. If these checks doesn't complete and you post your videos like that, your videos will be restricted because your videos have issues. So whether you are posting your videos or you are doing reaction videos, you are cutting clips on people's videos, you have to post from here. Even your AI videos, you have to post from this angle, from this particular place. So YouTube will tell you if you should go ahead or you should go back to your editing or even create another video. So this video is ready. I will leave it in private and I'll go and show you inside the normal YouTube app to make sure everything is set before I make it public. Leaving it on private actually helps you to study the video, and when you make it private public, YouTube will now know the people to push it to. It gives YouTube time. So you can leave it like this for like 30 minutes. It's not a bad idea. Then I'll click on save. So this video has been successfully saved on my channel. Everything is set. Before you go, there's something else I want to show you. When you click on this place, you will look for that particular video. Mine might not be showing yet because it's still new. Click on this pencil icon on the video. Click on this pencil icon. You have to turn on your subtitle, okay? Turn on your subtitle and auto dubbing. I don't know if you skipped that, but I use auto dubbing for my account. So click on, are you seeing it? This is subtitle. You need to click on, it's still processing. Look at it, say generating automatic subtitles. Just a minute or a moment. Okay, mine is complete. Wow, it's even completed right now. Now that it's complete, all of this will be dubbed on my audio. I have auto dubbing features, okay? But for you that don't have, whether you have or not, you need to do this. You click on this edit subtitles and make sure you publish your subtitles. Look at how I started. I say, guys, it's one thing to know about a new AI tool. It's another thing to know exactly how to use it. This is how I started my video. This is all the subtitles, everything I said in my video. I'll go on and publish it so that when people are watching my videos, they can actually go on and use, maybe they're not hearing my English because my accent might not be sounding good in their ear. You understand? So they can use this YouTube auto subtitle to be hearing exactly what I'm saying back to back. You can also make changes, okay? Because mine is long and I'm doing a tutorial. Normally, I read through it and I correct any errors or any English misspellings. Do you understand? You can also add languages to your subtitles. Click on this add language and just look for any language you want to add. Okay, look for a language that you would like to. I want to add Filipino because Philippines actually watch videos on YouTube. So I need their subtitle. Their name is called, their country language is called Filipino. I'll click on it. If you don't know the language a particular country speaks, you can just ask ChatGPT or Google. Click on manual subtitles and add. Okay, this is how you add subtitles to your videos, aside the auto dubbing, of course. Click on auto translate. If you don't do that first one, where that edit subtitle that I clicked and publish it, all these ones will not work. So you have to publish your subtitles first before adding language. Click on publish, and this language will be added to your video, guys. So this is exactly everything I've been doing recently. I stopped doing this before and my views dropped. So immediately I started uploading like this again, and I started adding my subtitles and adding my captions one after the other. My views popped up. I'm sure you've seen it already. So I'll just go on. There are some countries that I select, like Zulu, Swedish, Swahili, Hindi. There are a lot of them, guys. Spanish, French, German. Okay, and a lot of other languages. Okay, they are all here. Just look for the most popular languages that you know that these people, they have populations on YouTube and they can watch your videos. So guys, this is the video we posted a while ago. Look at it inside my studio. I want to show you something. Now look at visibility, private, monetization is on, restrictions none. This is the most important thing. Now this video can go public without any problem. Are you seeing it? It can go public without any problem. So thank you so much for watching to this point. If you settled down, if you took your time to watch this video, trust me, there's going to be a change in your channel, and I'm happy you did. I'll see you in the next one. Guys, you've seen it. I'm sure you found this helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and as well share so that others can actually learn from this. Okay, I'll see you in the next upload. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, guys.